When creating a 3D space, there'll come a time when you need some additional objects in your scene. Spatial have template scenes for you to use, but you can also upload 3D objects too. So, for example, in this space, we want to add some additional purses for display. This is where the GLB file works great. A GLB file is a compact, all-in-one 3D file format that makes it easy to bring custom objects into your scene. Think of it like a suitcase that carries everything your 3D model needs: the geometry, the textures, animations, and all the lighting data too, all zipped up into a single file. So in our example, if we want to add a stylish purse to the display area, we can simply upload GLB files of those purses. Spatial renders them exactly the way they were designed with no extra setup required. Now for Spatial, we recommend that your texture sizes don't go beyond 2048 by 2048 and about 100 megabytes in size. There are other formats you can use, but GLB is our recommended choice. I will leave a link in the description for more details. Now, to upload a GLB object, all you have to do is go to the top and click on the plus icon here. On this screen, you'll see on the left side here the upload link. Next, let's click on the button where it says select from your device, and let's choose a GLB file to upload. Now, if you don't have a file to learn with or test with, I'll put a link in the description for you to go to so you can download GLB files. Now, once you select the file from your folder, as you can see, there is a loading process and it appears. Now you can move it and position it as needed in your scene.